Hi, today I'm going to be doing reflection number 16, and the question is, reflect on where your paper started and ended up, what has happened to you as a writer-researcher, and how do you feel now that it's turned in. So, on the paper, I feel like at the beginning, I didn't have a lot of hope for trying. I just thought about the word count, and the word count really hit me because I didn't think that I was gonna hit the word count. And when I started writing, it was the least thing I worried about. I feel like I didn't even look at the word count until the end, and that really changed me. Also, I learned many things. I'm very critical now. I feel like when I write, sometimes I'm more critical in the stuff that I put in, and when I'm typing, sometimes, not all the time, I can realize if some sentences don't make sense, which I feel like before, when I would be typing, I wouldn't realize it almost at all. And now when I'm typing, it's almost like it's like an innate ability in a way, because I'm typing and at the same time I'm like reading it, and it makes sense, and I don't make that many mistakes as I used to. In addition, I also feel that now, since I went through the process of analyzing researchers' other papers that they've conducted, I also feel like I can understand kind of much more elaborate writing. Like for researching and stuff, when you read another paper from a professional, it's really difficult to understand it, but since I almost have it in my head, the format of the methodology, what's needed in the methodology, I feel like just reading it, I can pinpoint and say that's the methodology section, that's the conclusion, that's the results, this is where they present their topic, which I feel like before when I would look at a research, I wouldn't be able to realize exactly, oh, this is what they're talking about. I feel like I would just look at the title and be like, okay, that's what they're talking about, but not necessarily what's their main goal, why do they want to do this, how is the future implications. So that concludes my discussion question.